Welcome to this tasting of products from Egina. Yesterday, August, March the 15th, 2025, we went to Egina and we bought this pistachio with honey. And Egina is famous for its pistachio. And I thought this was a good idea because honey is so good for your health. And pistachio, as a symbol for Egina, I thought this would be the ideal combination. You would kill two birds with one stone. So we bought this. The price of this was 10 euros, I think.
Yes.
Yes, it was 10 euros. I bought it at the harbor of Egina just before. And we will now taste it. And please, ladies first.
Take a bit bread.
Doesn't it look lovely, dear listeners?
It looks lovely. Honey and
Pistache with honey.
pistachios. Wow.
Fistico psycha memeli. Fistico psycha memeli. Fistico psycha memeli.
So nice. Very nice combination. I can taste the pistachios and also a bit sweet from the honey. Yeah, try it.
Yes, I will also try it.
I can hold.
Thank you.
It's a bit hard, the honey.
So this is me.
Work with bread.
Should I put it on bread? Or should I, no, perhaps I should try it like that, without anything. Pure pistachio, pure honey. Oh, paradise.
I'll try also without any. It's really nice. Instead of salt pistachios. It's nice to have also with honey. Yes. Maybe I could imagine if you have ice cream.
Oi.
You put the free pistachios with honey on top of the ice cream would be really perfect. Yes.
So which rating do we want to give this? I think that's as let's say for breakfast, if you eat it with bread. Let me see here. If you eat bread like I will do now, I will actually put it like this. Yes, you could perhaps help me. Give it into my hand, please. Oi. Give it to hold camera in your left hand while.
Here.
Oi. So now.
There's a new spoon.
Let me go out in the fresh air. March 16th, 2005 in Athens. Oi, everything fell on the floor. Oh no. Everything fell on the floor, but never mind.
Where was new?
No. Egina is a paradise.
Very nice taste.
Very nice taste. Which rating do we want to give to this?
I want to give it a 9. Not a pure 10 because I'm used to eat pistachios with salt. So I get a bit surprised of sweetness. So I give it a 9.
Me too. I will give it a 9, not 10, which would be the maximum.
Yes.
We could mention that we bought also other things. This is the patron saint of Egina, Nectarius. And this is, we will not try this out now, but this is myrrh and holy oil. Actually, I think the people on Egina are very clever.
Yeah.
Because they like to kill two birds with one stone. You tell you about myrrh.
And you take it for.
And you use it as a perfume?
I use it as a perfume like this. Here.
Because it's natural.
Yeah.
No, like normal perfumes, they have side
it's
effects.
natural. I hope at least it is. It smells like that. And I also bought this bracelet. It's made of so many dots. The large ones are knots. And in between is also a knot. So it's very nice handicraft.
Oi.
They had them in different colors.
You bought this at the bookshop of this
where
monastery.
You bought this
Yes.
oil and this magnet.
You know, one of my favorite idioms or proverbs is to kill two birds with one stone.
Yeah.
Because we have to be effective. To kill two birds is to be effective. And the people in Aegina, they have, I think, adopted this idiom or proverb. Because here you get two birds with one stone, pistachio and honey, and here too, myrrh with holy oil.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And also this icon and a magnet.
Oi,
So
oi,
you
oi.
can use it on the fridge.
Oh,
At
two
the
birds
same-
with one stone here too. Yeah, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
And also a holy item. And I dipped it in the holy water also.
In the monastery.
And nice jewelry in thread. Yes. I think it's really nice.
Oi, 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 oi.
Yes.
That's everything from us today, March the 16th, 2025, and we love Aegina.
We love Aegina, really.
Cheers, 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 cheers. Goodbye.